Spring cleaning is the worst, until it isn't. These 5 gadgets turn a weekend of misery into a few hours of almost fun. I tested every single one so you don't waste money on gimmicks. Let's clean smarter. The Bissell. Little Green is famous for a reason. It removes stains that other cleaners just smear around. I tested this on a 2-year-old coffee stain on my beige carpet that I was sure was permanent. 10 minutes later, gone. The machine sprays water and cleaning solution, scrubs with a brush attachment, and then vacuums everything back up into a dirty water tank. It's small enough to carry with one hand, so you can do upholstery, car seats, stairs, and even your mattress. The heat doesn't come from the machine itself. You use warm tap water, but the suction is strong enough to pull out deep dirt. One honest piece of feedback: the hose is short. You'll be moving the unit around a lot. Also, the clean water tank is small, so for big jobs, you'll refill a few times. But for spot cleaning and pet messes, nothing beats this at this price if you have kids, pets, or just clumsy friends. Buy this before your next stain sets. Full details and the best deal are linked in the description below. The Ticarve cleaning gel looks like a joke. It's bright orange goo that you poke into crevices. But I'm telling you, this stuff works. Your keyboard, your car vents, your console controller, even your printer tray. All those tight spots where dust and crumbs hide, this gel oozes in, grabs everything, then peels out clean. It's not sticky on your fingers, just on dirt. I used it on my mechanical keyboard that I've never fully cleaned, and the amount of gunk that came out was disgusting. The gel is reusable until it turns dark gray. One tub lasts months. It's also non-toxic, so no worries about kids or pets. Honest feedback: don't use it on fabric or paper. It will leave residue. Also, if you press too hard, bits can break off inside tight gaps. But for electronics and car interiors, this is a game changer. It's cheap, satisfying, and actually effective. Stop blowing compressed air everywhere and just poke this stuff in. Check the description for the link. Your keyboard will thank you. The LARQ self-cleaning water. Water bottle. Feels like a luxury item until you realize you haven't washed it in 2 months and it still smells fresh. That's the trick. The cap has built-in UVC LEDs that kill 99.99% of bacteria. No heat, no chemicals. You press a button and the light runs for a minute. I tested this during a camping trip where I couldn't wash it properly and my water tasted clean the whole time. The bottle is double wall insulated, so ice stays for 24 hours. The battery lasts a month on a single charge. One genuine feature I love. There's a self-cleaning mode that runs every hour to keep the bottle fresh. Downside, it doesn't remove dirt or dust. You still need to rinse it out if you put in something other than water. Also, the cap's a bit bulky. But for daily use, travel, or the office, this bottle saves you from that funky sponge smell. No more scrubbing. No more moldy mouthfeel. Full specs and current pricing are in the description below. The Dyson VI 8. Absolute isn't the newest or most expensive Dyson, and that's exactly why it's on this list. It's the perfect balance of price and performance for spring cleaning. The cordless design means you grab it off the wall and go. No plugging, no cord tangles, no tripping. I vacuumed my whole 2-bedroom apartment on a single charge. About 25 minutes of runtime on normal mode. The motorized cleaner head works on carpets and hard floors, and the whole unit filtration captures allergens. The bin empties with a single lever so you never touch the dust. One honest piece of feedback: the trigger has to be held down constantly. Your finger gets tired. Also, the battery isn't removable on this model, so when it wears out after a few years, you need to replace the whole thing. But for the price drop since newer models came out, this is a steal for anyone who hates dragging a heavy corded vacuum around. Light, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Link is waiting for you in the description. The electric spin scrubber from Tilswall is for people who hate scrubbing showers. That's me. I used to spend 20 minutes on my knees scrubbing grout with a tiny brush. This thing has a long handle and 3 interchangeable brush heads that spin at 300 revolutions per minute. I stood up straight and cleaned my entire tile shower in 5 minutes. The brush heads are stiff enough for grout, but soft enough for glass doors. The handle is adjustable, so you can reach high corners or low baseboards without bending. It's cordless, waterproof, and runs for about 90 minutes on a full charge. One piece of honest feedback: it vibrates. Your hands will feel tingly after extended use. Also, the brushes eventually wear down and need replacing. But replacements are cheap. For bathroom cleaning, this is not a gimmick. It saves your back, your knees, and your time. If you dread spring cleaning because of the bathroom, this is the gadget that changes everything. Full details and the link are in the description below. That's 5 spring cleaning gadgets that actually make the job faster. From goo that cleans keyboards to spin scrubbers that save your back. Which one are you grabbing first? Comment below. And don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now, go clean and be done in half the time.